a trinomial times a binomial. Okay? Now notice you have a x squared term right here, where there's no x squared over here. Okay? And you have 3x over here, where there's nothing like that over here. There's nothing like the 3x over here. So you're missing some terms, so we're going to have to leave some space, okay? Now make this yellow and separate my first three terms, the 5x cubed, the 3x, and the 2. And put the yellow here, here, and here, okay? Now we have 5x cubed times a negative 2x squared. Well, before we start that, copy that down higher up here so I can get some room to write a little bit. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. Okay, so that's x to the fifth. And you have 5x cubed times a negative 3 will make a negative 15x cubed. Okay, so we're missing the x to the fourth term. All right. All right, now move on to this one. Move on to the 3x. Okay, negative 3x times negative 2x is a plus 6. Negative 3 times negative 2 is plus 6. And you have 1, 2, 3 x's. So it goes right underneath this one. All right, these are like, aren't they? And then I have negative 3x times negative 3 is going to be 9x. Now I left some room here for the x squared term, okay? Because the very first thing we're going to do on the next multiplication here, you're doing 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, and there's your x squared. And then you have 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So bring this one down. We're going to bring these three down, but in the meantime, I owe $15 and I pay back 6 of it. Okay, so I don't owe 15 anymore because I paid back 6, but I still owe some money. I owe 9, don't I? Okay, hence negative 9x cubed. Bring this down, bring that down, and bring that down, and we're done with this one.